Hi, I'm Kyle, and today I'm going to show you how to make Kool-Aid cookies. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 325, which I already did, so that's a good. Now, next thing you're going to do is you're going to do 1 2/3 cup of sugar. So, here's my 1 cup. Here's my 2/3 cup of sugar in my bowl. Next, you're going to want to do 1/4 cup of butter. Okay guys, I got my butter already. Here's my 1 cup of butter and my 1/4 cup of butter. Next, we're going to go ahead and put it in a mixer. Okay guys, so this is what it's going to look like in your mixing bowl. This is my butter and my sugar. Next, we're going to want to mix it until it creams together. Also guys, make sure your butter is softened as well. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. This is what it's going to look like, you guys, when it's creamed together. Next thing you want to do is you're going to add your 2 eggs into the mixture, which I'm going to do right now. Okay guys, there's my 2 eggs in my mixture. So now I'm going to mix it, and then we'll do our baking soda and salt next. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with your egg mixed in with the sugar and butter. Now next is the baking soda and salt, which I have right over here, which I'm going to get for you guys right. Okay guys, so now is the salt and baking soda. So here's my 1/2 teaspoon of salt, which I'm going to go ahead and add into my mixture. There's the salt. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which I got right here. In there. Now, let's mix it. There it is. Let's start the mixer. Okay guys, so now I got that done. So now what you want to do next is get your 3 cups of flour, which I already had it scooped out. You guys can get all your stuff done, like ready for you, so when you go to do this, you don't have to rush to get it. I always do because it's quicker. So what I did was I put 3 cups of flour in this because with my recipe, you have to use a 1/2 cup of time to mix it, so it doesn't fly everywhere. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put a 1/2 cup in, and each time until the mixture is done. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so here's my first 1/2 cup of flour. Let's put it in the bowl. Okay guys, there it is. There's my first 1/2 cup of flour. Let's get it going. Okay guys, I just got done doing all my 3 cups of flour, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. Now, what you want to do next is, you can do so many different flavors with this, so let me go into detail about that, and I'll tell you what we'll do next. Okay, so with the flavors, you guys, you can do you can do however many flavors you want, honestly. So like, for example, if you're doing, like, if you want 4 different flavors, so you want to separate your dough into 4 separate bowls, then you want to do half a packet of each flavor in the bowls. Okay, so now with doing 2 flavors, you need to do as well separate bowls, and then you want to do 1 packet per bowl. Now, if you're just wanting 1 flavor, you do 2 packets. So I'm doing blue raspberry lemonade cookies. So I'm doing 2 packets because that's what my mixture is going to be. It's 2. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and opened up my blue raspberry lemonade Kool-Aid packets. Now I'm getting ready to pour it in. Okay guys, I already added both my packets of blue raspberry lemonade Kool-Aid. Let's get it mixed. Guys, I am back. Now my Kool-Aid is mixed in, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this is what the Kool-Aid mix looks like with the Kool-Aid in it. It almost looks like a mint green. Okay guys, so next thing you want to do is go ahead and spray your cookie sheet with oil. Oil. So I already did. Now we're going to use my cookie scoop and scoop it onto our cookie sheet, and then we're going to put it in the stove, and we're going to put it on for 10 to 12 minutes. Let's get going. Okay guys, I just got done scooping them on the sheet. Let's take a look at them. Okay guys, this is what they look like on the cookie sheet. Let's get them in the oven and let's put them on for either 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, I got them put in my oven. I'm getting ready to close. Now let's get the timer going. I'm doing 10 minutes, you guys. I'm gonna try 10. And if they're not done at 10, I'll try 12. Okay, you guys, this is what they look like out of the stove. Don't mind the bubble. It was because when I grabbed them out of the stove, that's what happened. But this is what they look like. They look really good. Okay, guys, so now to let you guys know so far, that out of that batter so far, that is 2 dozen. There's 24 cookies on that. So I'm letting them cool right now, and then after they cool, I'm gonna take them off the sheet, and then I'm gonna scoop the batter onto the sheet, cookie sheet. Let's get going. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I just got done doing the last bit of my batter on my cookie sheet. Now I'm getting ready to put it in the oven and put it on for the 10 to 12 minutes again, and we'll be done. Let's see. Okay, guys, this is the last bit of my batter. I'm getting ready to put it in the stove. Okay, guys, now it's time to set our timer. Let's get it going. Okay, guys, the microwave just beeped. Let's get them out of the oven. Okay, guys, I just got them out of the oven. This is what they look like, and we got 3 dozen and 8 cookies out of just making one batch of Kool-Aid cookies. Okay, guys, so let me know if you've ever heard of these or had them or made them before, because this was my first time making them, so I thought they turned out pretty good. Let me know what y'all think.